Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie, back with another video. Today we got an unboxing of a clipper and trimmer. But if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, dislike, share, all the good stuff, right? So in the world of barbering, we have a lot of, so for a while there was the three main companies. There was Andis, there was Oster, and there was Wall, right? Then you started getting more companies, and now at this time we have a abundance abundance of different companies popping up, right? So today we have a new clipper and trimmer from a company called COCCO, right? I seen these online advertised by Morano. I'll put his link in the description name here. Morano, right? I think that's how you pronounce it. But he was hyping them up, talking about how they do different ways of, I guess, zero gapping, digital zero gapping. I think that's what he was calling it. But I haven't tried the clippers. I've heard other people talking about them and talking about all the where they come from and all that stuff. But today we're just gonna unbox them and see how they feel, right? So we're gonna start with the clipper. The clipper is from COCCO. It says Pro All Metal Clipper, right? You got all metal alloy housing. You got 3 hours of charging with 2 hours of runtime. Not a fan of that already, but it is what it is. 2 hours of runtime is not bad. It's the when certain products take longer to charge than the charge you will get, than the runtime that you will get, right? So it says BLDC motor. Okay, BLDC motor, high speed, strong power. All right, let's just open it up, see what come in the box. All right, this is the clipper first, like I said. So get the pamphlet, COCCO. Now I don't know where this company is based out of. Like I said, y'all know how I do. I see digitally gapped. All right, that's cool that that they gap them and send you the date that it was done and all that stuff. But we'll see how they cut. This blade may cut differently than you are used to. Get familiar with your blade before service and use, right? So let's open it up. You get 2 boxes in there. The first box come with your guards. It's got a USB charger. Let's see what these guards feel like. Look like they go up to an 8, like most of them will. Nothing special. Your regular, they a little flimsy, little cheaply designed guards. It's still 1.5, but we'll put them to use. They're not bad, Like I say, I always use clippers that take wall guards anyway. So my guard setup is the half guard I'll use wall, right? The one I use wall. The 1.5, the 1.5 I use babeless. And then on a 2, I use the double magnet. Double magnet is from Gamma. And then if I need under anything over that, I'll use wall, right? But I usually don't use anything more than a 2 unless someone asks for it. But so those are my setup: wall, babeless, Gamma, right? And in this second box, you will get a charging block, which is cool, and then your brush and oil. I do like this packaging. It's nicely put together. There's your charging block. A lot of clippers that they starting to go to USB, they won't even come with the charging block, so that's cool. Nice little, look like some velvet, feel like some velvet on that thing. But let's take the clipper out. All right. Okay. That's the design for the clipper. You click lever. It got five notches. Come with a taper blade on it. All right. That's the design. I don't know how I feel about this. The way it tapers in like that. Like it seemed like if it was a trimmer, it would be cool, right? But it's not bad. Like I said, come with a taper blade, gold taper blade. Quiet. Got a decent curve into it also with the grips. So I'm not mad at that. You know, you see that curve with the ergos from Stylecraft, but on theirs they don't have the indentions as well to like grip. So that's cool. You got the curve and the finger grooves. So that's cool. I can see we're gonna get a nice use out of that. We're gonna see how these guards fit on how it feel on the clipper. What's that? 2. Yeah, I probably won't use these guards. I'm not. Yeah, I'm not fan. It seemed like it would chew. And digitally gapped. I mean, it's close, but it can honestly go closer. But I guess you don't want it closer. But I do want to look more into what they mean by digitally gapped, right? Because gapping your clippers is just gapping your clippers. You know what I mean? Like, I guess there's a tool that they use that helps you see it better, but you know, all in all. So let's get to the trimmer. This is the trimmer, professional high torque brushless motor, long lasting. What we got? USB, pretty much the same boxing. 3 hours of charging for 2 hours of runtime. So based on the box, not use yet, based on the box, they both get 2 hours of runtime, but both take 3 hours to get a full charge, right? So I'm leaving the shop here in a second. I got one more head in. This is a Sunday. I do appointments. So I got one more head coming. So I will put these on a charge and I'll be back Tuesday, right? So we'll see how it goes. And again, digitally gapped by, I don't know who that is, but digitally gapped by somebody. And then there's the pamphlet. This also comes with 2 boxes. Now, it's a lot of box for nothing, right? And then they got 2 boxes in here that really, and this, you didn't need 2 boxes for this, all right? This was the only thing in this box. That all could have fit in one, and I'm gonna put it in one, but you get the USB charger, another block, which is cool, right? Put that back in there. Put that back in there. Now we go, see, with the trimmer, I mean, it wasn't a lot in there, so, you know, it's all good. See, with this design coming tapering in on here, it gives a better feel, right? See how they both taper in? It makes more sense with this, with the trimmer, because, you know, everybody got the 360, the exposed, so I do like that. It seemed like it's gonna be able to get like up under the nose and stuff a little bit. This right here, I don't know, I don't like that, but we're gonna put it to use because how it look does not determine the performance. So of course, you get the same design, COCCO on there, LED light. Very quiet though, very quiet, lightweight. You get the gold blade, look like your standard Andis blade, or not Andis, but yeah, Andis, like a T outliner blade, digitally gapped. I like to try. I got all kind of. I mean, we're gonna try it on an actual cut, but it don't seem like it will actually cut right now. So we're gonna see first though before we actually, you know, like if y'all watch mine, y'all know I like to use it out the box before I do anything with it, especially with these with their hyping it up, the digitally gapping. I want to see what that is before I actually touch it myself, right? So that's the trimmer. Oh, and the price on these. So the price on these are funny, right? When I first looked them up, they were $200, right? So I was trying to get my stuff together, make sure I could spend 200 and 200, not 200 for both. They were 200 a piece, right? So I was trying to get my stuff together. I went back to actually get them. They were 220 a piece. 220 a piece. 220 for the clipper, 220 for the trimmer. But now when you look at them, They're $250. $250 a piece. $250 for the clipper, $250 for the trimmer. If y'all have been watching my videos, I always say you charge what you charge. People buy it or they don't. Cool, right? But some of the best trimmers on the market is not even $200. You get what I'm saying? This trimmer is $250 at the moment. When I bought it, it was $220. $250, you looking at $500 for a clipper and a trimmer. Again, your price is your price. I bought 360 Jeezy's brush for $75 with tax and shipping and handling, damn near $90. You charge what you want to charge. If they buy it, they buy it. But that price is kind of up there. But we ain't put them to use yet. We're gonna see how they perform, and we'll review them in about a week or two. Cause I'm done with the stuff that I've been using, so I can actually focus on using just these. Right. So that's what we're gonna do. If you've tried COCCO or if you've heard about them, leave your thoughts down below. We'll see what they talking about. All right. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike. And we'll be back with a review of the COCCO clipper and trimmer for $250, 2 hours of runtime, 3 hours of take to charge. We'll see. Peace.